In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GIF in CapCut PC. Whether you're capturing a moment from a video, a funny reaction, a quick animation, or simply a beautiful scenic shot, making a GIF is a fun and engaging way to share moments online. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can create your own delightful GIFs with ease. First, you'll want to open up CapCut PC and begin by starting a new project. This sets the stage for importing the video clip you'd like to transform into a GIF. It could be anything from a quirky reaction clip to a brief yet mesmerizing animation. Remember, the goal here is to select a clip that captures the essence of what you're trying to convey. Next, let's refine that clip. You'll do this by trimming it down to the precise part you want to keep. To do this, move the playhead to where you want your GIF to start, then click on Split. Don't forget to remove any portions you don't need by simply deleting them. Keeping your clip under 10 seconds not only ensures a smoother viewing experience, but also maintains a good balance between size and quality. Once you've nailed the timing, it's time to get creative. You can customize the clip to your liking, crop it to focus on a particular area, resize it to fit your needs, or even adjust the speed for added effect. If you wish to add a personal touch with text, navigate to the Text tab, click on Add Text, and type out your message. Enhance the visual appeal of your GIF by using filters, stickers, or effects. These elements can make your GIF more engaging and expressive, truly bringing your moments to life. Now that your clip is perfectly tailored, the next step is exporting it. You can find the export option in the top right corner of the screen. When exporting, make sure to select GIF under the format options. For the best quality while maintaining a functional file size, choose a resolution of 320p or higher. Keep in mind that the 320p resolution or higher is an option exclusive to CapCut Pro users, providing a balance between crisp visuals and manageable file sizes. Finally, hit export and choose your preferred location to save the file. CapCut will take care of processing your new GIF, and soon enough, you'll have a delightful animation ready for sharing on your social media profiles, emails, or wherever you see fit. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and export a GIF in CapCut PC. With these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to producing engaging and fun GIFs that will capture the attention of your audience. Enjoy experimenting and bringing your creative vision to life through these animated snippets.